Hello. Today I'm going to do a review of a 20-gallon low-profile oil drain with a manual evacuation pump. After seeing the review I did on the 20-gallon under hoist oil drain, a company called Heavy Fab Co. Limited reached out to me and asked if I would like to do a unbiased review of their product. It's available on their website, which is fabheavyparts.com. I was actually looking at this product earlier, so I'll get it unboxed, get it put together, and we'll see how it performs. It did come well packed. It was shipped, according to FedEx, from a warehouse near Atlanta, Georgia. Check out fabheavyparts.com. In addition to shop tools, their business provides a lot of diesel engine parts for various manufacturers. That's in addition to the shop tool line. This drain will come in very handy if you have heavy equipment that holds large capacities of fluid. My motorhome holds 13 gallons of coolant and 6 gallons of oil. So this will be the perfect item for servicing my motorhome. Just got the contents unpacked. Seems very heavy duty. Has the screen that goes over the top. I'll need to attach the handle and the drain. Owner's manual. Very solid wheels and casters. One thing of note over some of the cheaper models that I've seen, the hand pump is cast iron, where many of the others are made out of plastic and tend to leak. So it appears everything arrived in good condition. So I'm going to get to work putting it together. I'll be back. Not too much to say about the assembly process. Didn't really film any of it. It was very straightforward. It does come with an assembly manual. I just looked at the pictures. Pretty simple. Just a close-up of the casters. They seem well made. Those are locking nuts on top. Pump seems well constructed. The welds are mostly good, some not so much, but everything seems very solid. Every screw and every bolt has a nylock, so they should be fine. This port here is listed in the instructions as a drain port. It does come with a barbed fitting that goes on top of it. I would assume that if the pump ever fails and you need to, an easy way to drain it, you would just tip it up. The handle seems sturdy. Again, it is secured with nylocks. This is the anti-splash screen that also keeps drain bolts from going down into the oil. Very simply lifts up and out. And that leaves your drain there. Seems well constructed. is noisy. I think this will be a very practical addition to servicing large vehicles with high capacity fluids. In conclusion, I would like to thank Heavy Fab Co. Limited for sponsoring this video. Go to fabheavyparts.com and get your own. I will put a link in the description. This is so much better than that.